What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Once again today I'm going to be day trading futures, the NQ contracts, and it's currently 8:24 a.m. Market opens in about 6 minutes. It's Central Time here, so I'll be looking for my three main types of setups. Momentum continuation trades, as long as there's extreme momentum in the direction I'm trading, and flag patterns and reversal patterns. They all have certain criteria that has to be met for me to take the trade. So hopefully the market will give me some setups today, and hopefully I can explain my thought process through those trades and maybe help you with your trading. And I'm kind of wondering what the price action will be like today and tomorrow, because Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday we have some important data coming out with PPI, CPI, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations. So we just got to wait and see what the market gives us today. So stay tuned, and maybe you can find some value in this video. Alright, so right there on that trade, I took that long. I saw this strong momentum candle on the 4-hour forming, two strong momentum candles on the 15-minute, and consecutive green candles with quite a bit of strength on the 5-minute, and this little consolidation candle on the 2. So it looked like we were going to get that little breakout above that. And I forgot to do my 15-minute range. I was studying this time and sales box, trying to get it set up the way I need it. Alright, so now just time to wait and see if we form out like a flag pattern on this 5-minute, see if we continue the momentum on that 4-hour and 15-minute. So time to wait.
On every piece of gossip as though it were gospel. Their faces lit up with excitement when the noise confirmed their hopes, and they grew pale with fear when it contradicted them. Their trading was nothing but an extension of their mood, swinging with the noise, never steady, never profitable. Their accounts dwindled, not because the market was cruel, but because their emotions were being fed with junk while their discipline starved. Tell me, have you seen such men always frantic, always desperate, always broke? Noise does not only feed your emotions, it disguises them as reason. You tell yourself you are selling because of some piece of news, when in truth you are selling because of fear. You tell yourself you are buying because of a tip, when in truth you are buying because of greed. The noise gives you a justification, a story, a mask. And behind that mask, your emotions devour you. The trend, meanwhile, does not need a story. It does not need excuses. It is there in the price, in the tape, plain for anyone to see. The man who chooses to see it and obey it is rewarded not only with profit, but with the calmness that comes from knowing he is following reality, not fantasy. Would you rather be deceived by stories or guided by truth? Consider what happens when the trend is up. Prices rise steadily, demand outweighs supply. The tape shows strength. If you obey, you buy and you hold. But then comes the noise.
Okay, so I just got this other trade. This was a short, and the reason I just took that was because we saw this huge wick on the 15-minute time frame. On the 5, we saw this red candle, bearish candle's body engulf the body of this previous green candle. So I thought we'd be getting a pullback, and something I've been just starting is kind of just paying attention to this tape. The time and sales over here on the right side of my screen. And I saw this doji candle, and I saw this candle kind of forming, and I saw big blocks of red over here on this chart with time and sales. So that meant a lot of people were selling, trying to just dumping. So that put a lot of supply into the market real quick. So I thought we would get a quick little push down, and we had fallen into this 15-minute range also. So we weren't holding support at the top of that. So that was kind of giving me more confidence also. So just several different things there for that reversal trade. We saw weakness on the 5, weakness on the 15, and the 4 hour, that candle closed, and it looks like we might start consolidating a little bit on the 4 hour. I mean, we could explode to the upside, but this wasn't a real aggressive close on that 4 hour candle. So that's kind of concerning. That means we could consolidate for a few candles. And like I said at the very beginning of the video, we have important data coming out Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So we could literally chop around for a couple of days. So, you know, I'm not getting too aggressive with my trades. I'm taking my 10 points and running, unless something starts looking a little bit different. But right now, I'm not seeing like tons of momentum towards the upside for a all-out bullish trend day or anything. So just going to be kind of careful, protect the profits that I've already gotten today, and just be patient, wait and see if we get any more good setups. But, you know, being Monday without any important news or data coming out, it could be a choppy day. So just got to be careful and be patient. Alright, so I'm going to take this quick short here. I'm seeing a lot of aggressive selling on the tape over here, and this looks like it's losing momentum on the 5. The 15 kind of looks like it's losing momentum. So let's see if I can catch this quick short here for 10 points. I should have probably waited for this 5-minute candle here to close. That is a mistake I made. I should have waited just a little bit longer, because we still could push up a little bit more. Alright, another minute and a half for this 5-minute candle to close. So let's see what we can get here. Maybe we will get the doji candle. I was supposed to wait for a doji candle to form, and I saw aggressive selling over here on the tape and got too excited too fast. And then now I just saw some aggressive buying. So I'm just getting used to trying to read this tape. I'm trying to use that as extra confirmation when I'm taking these quick trades. So I still have to adjust to that and not let it, you know, affect me following my rules and criteria for my main trade setups. But it looks like we're going to be fine on here, but I should have waited. Alright, I added to that. So let's see if, there we go, more aggressive selling over there on the tape, and there we go. That was 2 contracts on that one, so that was really nice. So reading the tape is really helping me. I just started doing this. I was kind of familiar with it, but I've never really actually used it while day trading as extra confirmation or anything, but it seems to really be helping me be more confident in my trades, especially like these quick reversal trades. because if you're losing momentum and then the tape is also telling you there's people aggressively dumping, and that could give you that extra little quick push down. So that's why I added to another contract to that trade. So now I'm currently up $707 in profits on the day, and that was only from 3 trades, I believe. I was supposed to be tracking my trades here and I got sidetracked, but I think that was just 3 winning trades there. No losers today. I'm done for the day. I'm not going to take my chances on this Monday. It doesn't look like a whole lot is going to happen because we got the news later this week. So for me to lock in $700 with just one Apex account today, I'm good with that. So thanks for watching. Comment if you got any questions. If you want me to make any other kind of videos to do with day trading, swing trading, just regular investing, crypto, stocks, anything. I've been doing this for about 5 years, over 5 years now total, and I've really been diving deeper this year. 2025, I've just made a decision to just kind of go all in and just level up everything, and it's starting to pay off really well. So I want to just make good videos that shares what I've learned over the last 5 years. So comment and let me know what you want to see the most of. You like these day trading videos or not? You want to learn something else, just let me know. I'll be glad to make some more videos. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I think I saw on my channel that 90% of the people who watch my stuff aren't even subscribed. So if you subscribe to the channel, it'll really help me out. It'll let me know that people really want to see this stuff, and it'll push me to make more content. So do that. Also, follow the link in the description section of this channel. And I've got an Etsy store where I've got a few t-shirts for sale. They're on sale right now. And a couple of them just have the name of the channel on there with some cool graphics. And then I have one for Pepe coin because I'm a Pepe holder. Alt season is about to get fired up, so I've got some videos for crypto also. Check those out. And just stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out.